Dear students, in the last class we discussed about affix, definition of affix. Today we are going to discuss about some important prefixes. Prefix is nothing but it is also one of the affixes. So an affix which adds at the beginning of the base word is called prefix. ಸೊ ಇಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆದಿ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆದಿ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯ ವ್ಯಾಖ್ಯಾನವನ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆದಿ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇವು ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪದಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆದಿ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಒಂದನೇದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಅಬ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್, abnormal. We have to this. Normal is a base word. When we add up to that word and that becomes opposite word. These all are opposite prefixes. I am going to discuss in this class. So opposite prefixes. So when we add that prefix and that word change into the opposite meaning. So here comes the first one. Ab. Normal, abnormal. Normal, samanya, apasamanya. So and next one is the second one, anti. Anti, it is also opposite prefix. Anti, the crest, anti-crest. National, anti-national. Civic, anti-civic. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Bacteria, antibacteria. Virus, antivirus. Understanding now? So and third one is D. Third one prefix is D. Forest, deforest. Aranya, niraranya. So merit, demerit. Guna, avaguna. So great, degrade. Darje, kela darje. Moralize, demoralize. Activate, deactivate. And fourth one is this. Fourth one is this. This is also opposite prefix. Agree, disagree. Allow, disallow. Affair, disappear. Belief, disbelief. Color, discolor. Courage, discourage. Comfort, discomfort. Connect, disconnect. Continue, discontinue. Honest, dishonest. Obey, disobey. Honor, dishonor. Loyal, disloyal. Qualify, disqualify. And the fifth one is ig. So ig, noble, ignoble. Noble, ignoble. And sixth one is ill. So ill is also opposite prefix. So legal, illegal. So legible, illegible. Legitimate, illegitimate. Fame, ill-fame. Literacy, illiteracy. Literate, illiterate. Health, ill-health. Health, ill-health. Logical, illogical. Fate, ill-fate. And next one is im. Next one is im. Moral, immoral. Mobile, immobile. Modest, immodest. Balance, imbalance. Movable, immovable. Partial, impartial. Possible, impossible. Patient, impatient. Perfect, imperfect. Modest, immodest. Memorial, immemorial. Perishable, imperishable. Pure, impure. Proper, improper. Practicable, impracticable. And next one is in. Solvent, insolvent. Equality, inequality. Experience, inexperience. Formal, informal. Ability, inability. Accurate, inaccurate. Active, inactive. Audible, inaudible. Consistent, inconsistent. Convenient, inconvenient. Decent, indecent. Digest, indigest. Definite, indefinite. And equality, inequality. And another one important prefix: irregular, irregular, recoverable, irrecoverable, rational, irrational, relevant, irrelevant, resolute, irresolute, reversible, irreversible. And another one, miss. Miss is also another one opposite prefix. And come to this: fortune, misfortune, use, misuse, understand, misunderstand, spell, misspell, lead, mislead, fire, misfire, behavior, misbehavior. And next one is not. Domestic, non-domestic, essential, non-essential, performance, non-performance, intervention, non-intervention, cooperation, non-cooperation, violence, non-violence, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, stop, non-stop, sense, non-sense, and government, non-government. Understanding now? These all are the important prefixes. And next one is unable, unable, authorized, unauthorized, tie, untie, educated, uneducated. There are a number of words takes the prefix un to make the opposite meaning. All of you understanding now? So once again, we are going to understand the words of prefix. Prefix is nothing but it's an affix which is used to add at the beginning of the base word to change the meaning of that base word is called the prefix. And these all, I think, these all are very important for the annual examination and also for the competitive examination. You're understanding now? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? ಸೊ ಇಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆದಿ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹಿಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿದ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪದಗಳನ್ನ ಸಂಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡುವುದು, ಅದ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಓದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್, abnormal, crust, anti-crust, national, anti-national, civic, anti-civic, clockwise, anti-clockwise, bacteria, antibacteria, virus, antivirus, and third one is D, forest, deforest, merit, demerit, grade, degrade, moralize, demoralize, activate, deactivate, and fourth one is this, agree, disagree, allow, disallow, appear, disappear, belief, disbelief, color, discolor, courage, discourage, comfort, discomfort, connect, disconnect, continue, discontinue, honest, dishonest, obey, disobey, honor, dishonor, loyal, disloyal, qualify, disqualify. And next one is ignoble, ignoble, legal, illegal, legible, illegible, legitimate, illegitimate, fame, ill-fame, literacy, illiteracy, literate, illiterate,